Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. I've got an unboxing video for you, but I have to say right at the start that this box is now sold out. It's sold out super fast. I'm talking about the ASOS box, the ASOS monthly box, and the January box is in collaboration with the brand Deciem, and I knew it would go because it's such a bargain. I'm gutted. I was hoping that once I receive the box I'd be able to do a video, show you, and then you'll be still able to get it, but you can't. But I did order two because I did anticipate that it might sell out, because whenever they do collaboration boxes like this, I know they sell out super fast. Like we've had Clinique, we've had Bobbi Brown, more recently we've had Pixie, so they do well. These boxes cost £15, but their normal monthly boxes cost £12, sometimes £10. I don't know why, there's a difference there, but this cost me £15 and it has a value of over £70. So inside contains 5 products from the Deciem brands Neod and The Ordinary. Neod is rather a pricey brand. The Ordinary is a very affordable brand, so I like that they've mixed it up a bit. Because I anticipated that this might be a sellout box, I bought 2 of them. So I've got 2 of them here. One is for me, I'm keeping one of them, but one of them is up for grabs. So if you're interested in winning this box for yourself, then watch the video until the end and then I'll give you details about how to enter. So if you're new to ASOS Beauty Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll have a timestamp down below in the comments so you can flick forward. So ASOS bring out these beauty boxes once a month. You go onto their website, it's usually the first of every month they release them, and they tell you exactly what you get in the box. So if it's a box for you, great, you can buy it. If not, then you don't have to. So there's no subscription, nothing like that. Now, because they do sell out really fast, as soon as I find out, and it's either because I'm literally online on the ASOS website constantly from the 1st onwards, but also I get messages from you lovely lot. Let me know that the box is on the website. So in order to search for yourself, you just type in beauty box into the search panel and it'll come up there. If you're not already on any of my social pages, you're welcome to join my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek, same name as this. And as soon as I find out that the boxes are released, I post direct links onto the Facebook page. You're welcome to click like and follow my pages to be in the know when they are released. So inside contains 5 beauty items. Sometimes we get travel sizes, sometimes samples, but mainly they are full size. All products can be purchased off the ASOS website. As we go through the video, I'll pop up the prices on the screen so then you have an idea of what it costs, but also I'll put links down in the description as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and all links and everything related to not this box, but you never know, it might come back. There might be a glitch or something, it might come back, but I'll pop it down there anyway if I can find it. But there might be some past boxes on there as well, so all details and everything I'll pop down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I'm treating this video as information given, so I know this box is out of stock at the moment. Fingers crossed that it'll come back in stock, but if not, I hope if you're new to ASOS Beauty Box that you'll find this video interesting and you will be on the lookout for future boxes in the future, and I've given you some tips and things on what to do and how to look out for them. So yeah, so I'm going to go through this now, telling you what you got inside, and then I'll get on to the giveaway at the end. This is what we got. Oh, I love the packaging, very simple, but I love it. I'll just read you the card because it relates to the products. It says, yep, it's January, and that means time for some serious TLC. That's why this month's ASOS Face and Beauty Box has 5 skin saviours from Deciem, the brand famous for scientific skincare names like The Ordinary and Neod. What's in store? First, we've got The Ordinary Squalene Cleanser, which gently removes makeup while keeping skin moisturised. Next is Neod's Multi-Molecular Hyaluronic Complex, which offers a multi-dimensional approach to hydration. Basically that means it'll help your skin look plump and healthy. Next we've got The Ordinary's Natural Moisturising Factors and AHA, the ultimate hydration hero, which keeps the skin protected, especially important throughout the colder months. Then there's Neod's Photography Fluid Opacity 12%. This one has light refracting prisms, hue correctors and topical photo finishing technologies to create a glowing complexion within seconds. For more radiant skin, give The Ordinary's Pore Refining Salicylic Acid 2% Mask. Go. The formula infused with charcoal and clays help your skin look smoother and brighter, leaving your face feeling refreshed and ready for 2020. So there you have it, everything your skin needs to beat the harsh weather this winter. So the first item we picked up is the cleanser, and I've already got this and it is brilliant. It is really lovely. So it's the cleanser by The Ordinary. It's squalene cleanser and it's a makeup remover, and this is full size. It's 50 mils. I'll just get it out and show you. It just says it's fragrance free, clean surface, removes makeup, supports surface hydration, and it contains plant derived esters. Rub together to warm the product, allowing it to melt into an oil. Massage well into dry face and rinse with warm water. If irritation occurs, cease use and consult a physician. Only use as directed on unbroken skin, and it just goes on to telling you about patch testing and refer to their website for more in-depth guide on the product. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got another product by The Ordinary, and this is salicylic acid, and it's a 2% mask, and it says here formulated for blemish prone skin, and there's 50 mils, and that's what it looks like there. Same as the cleanser. It says with 2% salicylic acid, vegetable charcoal, Amazonian clays and squalene. Use once or twice a week on thoroughly clean dry skin. Do not use on wet skin. Apply evenly across the face using fingertips, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. It goes on to telling you that if you use this, make sure you apply sunscreen in your makeup or in your skincare because you become more sensitive to the sun. So that's the second item in the box. Then the last item from The Ordinary in the box is natural moisturising factors and HA, hyaluronic acid. Got 30 mils there. So I have used this before and it's really nice and lightweight. I do really like it. I haven't had it for a long while actually. It's a good excuse to use it again. So yeah, it just looks the same as all the other products from The Ordinary. But what extra information can I tell you? It contains amino acids, dermal lipids and hyaluronic acid. And it just says apply after serums as needed for effective surface hydration. And then it goes on to telling you about the patch test and not to use on irritated skins, and as they do with all of the products. So yeah, so we've got a moisturiser there with hyaluronic acid. Next we've got the first of the Neods, and there's two of these in the box, and they're the more pricier brand from Deciem. And this is photography fluid opacity 12%. It's a highlighting system, and this is 30 mils. I love the packaging on this. If I remember rightly, it just opens sideways. I've got a facial spray by Neod, and it's their Sod Mist. Sacrilege. I can't remember what it's called now, but it's, yeah, long words. Long words. I can't open it. Alright, I'm wrecking the box. That's what it looks like there. Very smart bottle. So does it have extra information? An advanced colourless priming fluid that uses next generation nanoprismatic particles to refract light and balance out undesirable hues. Contains technologies to make skin appear better, specifically in photographs. And it says keep out of reach of children. So that's the first item from Neod. Next we've got the Neod Multi-Molecular Hyaluronic Complex, and this is 15 mils. On the website it says 30 mils, and I believe the 30 mil version is at £38. I might be wrong, but yeah, it looks full size. It might have been a mistake on the website, but I'll have a look and I'll pop it up on the screen anyway. So it's a smaller bottle there. You can see. It says recommended as a core Neod regime product to be used with copper amino isolate serums. If used with case, apply case after cleansing, followed by multi-molecular hyaluronic complex. It's really small writing. Hold on. If using separately, apply this after cleansing before the application of other skin treatment. Apply a small amount to the entire face twice daily. That is the last of the 5 items. I am really chuffed with this box. Really, really chuffed. And it's no wonder it's sold out. It is no wonder. They are really popular, well-loved brands. And yeah, it literally sold out, what, in a day, 2 days, something like that. So all together in this box, we got 3 products by The Ordinary. We've got a face mask, a cleanser and a moisturiser. And then we've got 2 products by Neod. We've got a primer and a hyaluronic acid type serum, I think. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. So 5 items in all. They all look full size to me, and I think it's a bloody good box. I think this is one of the best boxes ASOS have come out with. I just love it, absolutely love it. So to be in for a chance of winning a box for yourself, this is an unopened one, then that's all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, click the like button, also click notifications as well so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And what else is there? I keep forgetting, every time I do this I keep forgetting. If you're under the age of 18 you need to have parental or carer consent. And also, oh, comment down below as well. Comment anything you like. It could be about this box or it could be about the ASOS subscription in general. But make sure you add a form of contacting you. So it could either be like an Instagram name or a Twitter name or something, or an email. Whatever's an easier way for me to contact you if you are the winner. The giveaway is going to be open internationally and I'm going to run it until the end of January. And I'm going to be using a random picking generator tool thing, which I'll just choose a person at random and then get in touch with you. So yeah, if I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. All the instructions for the giveaway and everything will be listed down there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Really sorry that I couldn't give you good news and say that this box is for sale. But nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if this box takes your fancy and you've never heard of ASOS Beauty Box before, make sure you check them out on the 1st of every month. If you enjoyed, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.